Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to use Trust Wallet on your desktop. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Tech Helpline, and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Since Trust Wallet is a mobile application, we need to download it through an Android emulator. In this video, we will be using Bluestacks. So open the Bluestacks app on your desktop. And tap Playstore. Here, type Trust Wallet on the search bar. And tap Install. Now that Trust Wallet has been downloaded, open it. If you don't have a Trust Wallet account, tap Create a new wallet. But if you already have one, tap I already have a wallet. Next, check the box to agree with the terms and policies. And tap Continue. Tap Multicoin wallet at the top. And enter the phrase that you copied during the sign-up process. Once you are done, tap Import. So that's how you use Trust Wallet desktop version. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.